I get it. You want to make a juicy salmon with a crispy outer layer. You don't want to pan sear it because you don't want to deal with all the dirty dishes after. That's exactly why you should be using an air fryer to make your salmon. And today we are going to show you how to get your salmon to perfection every single time. And this is how you do it. First, grab a fresh salmon fillet. If you're not a fan of using vinegar to clean it, you can use salt and turmeric instead. Once it's washed, pat it down dry with a paper towel. Now, grab a small dish, add ginger garlic paste, a little turmeric, chili flakes, salt, black pepper, and Sri Lankan chili garlic kissed sauce. If you don't have this sauce at home, you can just substitute it with something else from your fridge. Something like a barbecue sauce should do it. Add a little bit of oil and mix everything well together, and your marinade is ready. If you actually have a big fillet like this, cut it into small portions so it can be marinated better. Apply the marinade to the fish and let it sit for about 30 minutes. If you have extra time, I would say just cover it up and just marinate it overnight in the fridge. You will get better results in that way. But whenever you're ready, air fry this at 250 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And there you go, your crispy salmon is ready. As I mentioned before, this is a very simple recipe. It's very clean, minimal, and so far this is the best method we found to cook the salmon. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and maybe share this video with someone else who you think will benefit off of this simple recipe. That's all from us today. I'll see you soon with another recipe. Ciao.